We're here to integrate x to multiply the square root of 1 plus s squared dx. So the first thing you are going to do is let's represent the inner one by 1 plus s squared. So this is the formula to use. So you will now differentiate u with respect to x. We have du dx will give us, this will be 2x. So by the time you differentiate the u with respect to the s, it will give us the s. So, but we try to make the x as a subject of the formula. So we have the u is equal to 2x dx. So in the process, you now say that our dx, you divide both sides by du, divide by dx by, you divide both sides by 2x. So this will cancel this. Therefore, the x will now give us du over 2x. So that is exactly what we need. So from these questions, which is this, integral x onto square root of 1 plus s squared dx will be equal to integral x dot square root of u dot. So the value of the x, and the x is the u, divided by 2x. So we have the u divided by 2x. So in the first instance, you realize that this will cancel this. So its equation will now turn to half onto integral square root of u du. So we now rewrite again to have this integral of the half du. So what you are going to do here is that you integrate the value of u, so which will give us half dot u onto half plus 1 over half plus 1 plus c, which will give us 1 over 2 dot, this will be 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus c. So it will surely give us 1 over 2 dots. So this 3 over 2 is a division to change to 2 over 3, as in times 2 over 3 dot u onto 3 over 2 plus c, which is, so the 2 will cancel 2. We have 1 over 3 dots u raised to power 3 over 2 plus c. So the integrals of x dots the square root of 1 plus s squared dx will now be 1 over 3. The value of u is, we have represented the u by 1 plus s squared. So we have 1 plus s squared raised to power 3 over 2 plus c. So this is the formula for the differentiation. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more of these well-explained explanations of integration. So that is what we do here. We give explanations of explanations of mathematical questions that we solve. So we really appreciate you for watching this video, and try to share this video to many people that you know they might need it. So thanks for watching.